Whoa, Thor!
Hey, don't you supposed to report the other phone?
I don't know.
What's he doing? He's not supposed to get that close.
Oh my god!
How cute!
Oh my god!
Oh, so cute! It's so tiny!
I can't even see! Okay.
Nigga, you got something.
I know, but it's no. Okay, I see now. She must be hollow nervous, dude. Damn. Woo! Damn, like that. Say yes. Woo! I'm not allowed. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you go first.